Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix featured photos not showing on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook application, then you need to click on three bars in the top right corner, and then you need to click on see your profile, and then you need to click on three dots, and then you need to click on lock profile. And once you are here, you simply need to click on lock your profile. Once you lock your profile, then you need to go back and click on edit public details. Then you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of featured. Click on that, try it, and then you need to add random photos. So I'm adding, and then you need to click on next. And if you want to add cover, you can add. Then you need to click on save. So these photos are now uploading, and once these photos are uploading, I'm going to show you these photos. So here you can see that my featured collection is showing here. So by following these steps, you can easily fix featured photos problem on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.